Cornish roads, Cornish hills. Straight on them, straight out of house, straight onto a nice little climb. I'm heading towards Padstow. It's about 6 miles. I'm meeting my partner there, and then we're going to ride the Camel Trail. He doesn't do hills. He's lived in Cambridge for the last few years, now in Leicester, so yeah, it's flat there. He's not riding the hills. Well, I don't blame him. It's beautiful, lovely to be out. And it keeps on going up. Made it to the sea. Just waiting for Edward now. And the steed of choice for the day was my Cannondale Topstone gravel bike, which was ideal for this route. I'm quite excited about riding the Camel Trail. I think just those well-known routes are quite fun to have a go on. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier, Ed isn't keen on cycling on the hills, and so yeah, we're looking for a flat route. So I've ridden over. I was going to take a longer route, but we were late getting up, leisurely breakfast and all those things that normal people do on holiday. Yeah, so relaxing start, and I've cycled over, so 6 miles. Pretty lumpy though, for a short ride, but lovely nice little lanes. The roads are quite wet from the heavy rainfall we've had. Yeah, so yeah, looking forward to it. With a little while to spare, just to wait for Edward, I went for a little ride along the seafront and the harbour. Lovely little town, it was really quiet and a little bit of blue sky, quite windy as you expect by the coast, but just a really relaxed vibe in Padstow, especially out of season when it's not too busy.
How was it?
Here he is with his vintage steed. And just like that, straight out of Padstow, straight on the Camel Trail. Edward's happy because there's no hills, it's all flat. Do you like hills, Edward?
No. Hills are silly.
Hills are silly.
So if you haven't gathered already, this is a ride that I did along the Camel Trail. It offers a flatter cycling option than the hilly Cornish roads. I mean, I love a climb, but it's not for everyone. So if you are looking for an easier or spinny route, an inclusive ride for all the family, then consider the Camel Trail. The other great thing is that it's traffic free, so no cars to navigate and one less thing to worry about when you're out riding. And isn't it great to see disused railways used like this? I would love in the future to see more disused railways connecting more of our towns for leisure or commuting purposes. That would just be so good. I would love to see that. We're out of season as it's in March, but I believe this would usually be a nice little cafe to stop at with a nice little view overlooking the water. The sea air felt really nice. It was windy, but it just felt really fresh the whole day. Love this little section, it just felt so picturesque and it was really pretty. Really lovely part.
Whoop, 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 whoop. So we started this ride, well, the Camel Trail part in Padstow, and we went through Wadebridge, and I think we're now close to Bodmin. So yeah.
Stop that, beautiful.
Well, I don't know if Edward will be very happy about this 3% incline for quite a while. It's nice not worrying about the traffic, being off-road, no cars, no angry drivers, being closer to nature. Yeah, so I guess this will be a really family-friendly route as well. Nice to get the legs spinning. So we did kind of a little quick whizzy lap around Bodmin. Saw the jail hotel, that looks quite fun. Has anyone stayed there? Let me know, I'm interested. Yeah, and now hopefully should have a nice tailwind. Fruits of the labour as we're heading back down the hill now. Yeah, got to be time for a Padstow or cream tea at some point. Might I'll cycle. So Edward's picked up a gear, now we're heading for home. Made it to Bodmin,
Yeah.
Wadebridge. Still alive to tell the tale.
Homeward bound now, not too far from Padstow, so that would have been us from Padstow to Wadebridge to Bodmin and then back to Wadebridge and finishing in Padstow again.
Nice little ride, entered at the bakery.
All in all, a good ride, so thanks for watching and see you again next time.